National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Crawford County, southwestern Franklin County until 5:30 p.m. At 4:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles north of Bourbon, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and small hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sullivan, St. Cloud, and Japan. This includes Interstate 44 in Missouri near exit 225. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds.